Now I searching for always for my professional cooking for restaurant like that. In season, I will come back in my company in April like that one start little bit more. I come back. I was before few year. I did my diploma there in pratic in the Ashkedom. They see me how I work. They come and they told me if you work with us for 2 months here. I did. After they want to accept me to work, they call me again after 1 year. I go back, I give my papier to put me there forever. But they don't call me. They tell me sorry because you don't have putni list Slovenian. You have just a permanent style now. Here in Slovenia, if you want to get job, and you must to learn Slovenian language. I speak a little bit, not because it's a little bit difficult. And my mistake from first, I talk English, and I learn English, talk French, Germany. So this is my mistake to know, not state mistake. This my mistake. The work time must be not more than 8 hours. But here sometimes they use people for 12, 14 hours, don't care. He look him like machine. You don't have like normal work, this, not what we tell Slovenia narayana služba. If you get narayana služba, this is another. But if you work with private here they use you. And if he ask for 1 day, he's sick, why? He come angry for him. Why you are sick? If you are sick when you still more time, they cancel you. They quicker and they take another. In European, you must to be careful worker. Worker is, he is protect this worker. Without worker, nothing. They control just worker if he have permission to work. Control this chef. Sometimes have worker don't get payment 8 months. From where he can live?